Okay, so, all right, pass me the conditioner, like the thing that I'm reviewing actually. So today I'm gonna be trying to make my currently green hair back to blue. This is what my hair looks like when I just air dry it, go to sleep, and it dries like this. This is what I'm gonna use to make it blue again. It's called blue. Here are my supplies. Tea, pollution, gloves, bag. Now, the fun part about this tutorial is that I'm actually dyeing my hair in my boyfriend's studio. So it's extremely nerve-wracking. And if I get blue on anything, no one will see this video because I will be dead. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this out. Wow. So in the bottle it says you have to wash your hair and let it air dry. Well, no, you don't have to do that. You can blow dry it. And then once it's dry and like squeaky clean, then you put it on like a conditioner and you leave it on for 20 minutes and then you take it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, what a look. Oh my God, this is fucking scary. It's gonna get everywhere. I'm gonna be looking this way because I have a mirror here, so, okay.
Ooh, it smells really good. Now, if you have like blonde hair and you want to like use this as like a tint to your hair, you can totally just like in the shower, wash your hair, and then in the shower put it on for like a couple minutes and then wash it out. And it leaves like a tint. But I, on the other hand, want to make my hair less green. Oh shit, I forgot to mention. This has BondFix. So you guys may have heard of like Olaplex and stuff. This essentially is the same thing as Olaplex. Where like if your hair is bleached or like damaged, as mine obviously is, it'll like bond the hair again to take away that damage and make it like stronger and healthier. So yeah, I could easily dye my hair with regular hair dye, but that takes too long. There's too much shit. This is easier, and it also repairs my hair as it stains it. Well, I'm doing a terrible fucking job.
No.
Oh yeah, baby.
Girl.
If I clean here, it's like, wow, it's so perfect. And it's like, no, it's not. Do you see that? You leave this in for like, okay, can I talk? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you leave this in for 20 minutes or longer if you want. I've been trying not to use heat lately, but my birthday's tomorrow, so, you know, got a little cute.
Oh, cute.
And I'll wash it out and blow dry it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I didn't miss a huge patch of green. But yeah, see you later. Stop it.
What?
maybe it's just me, but like, don't you guys hate it the first day? Don't you guys just hate it like when you first wash your hair and it's like clean and like super fucking fluffy and it looks like shit? Well, that's me right now. Like, it's so fluffy, it's so flat, I hate it. But on the other hand, this stuff, so good. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like my hair is so shiny. It's so soft, it's awesome. But I don't know, I like feel like I don't like it. Like, I don't like the color. I mean, let me get closer. I mean, comment down below if you think that the green looked better. This is the color now. It's blue. It's a lot more blue. But for some reason, like, I want to have blue hair instead of green hair, but I don't want it to be darker. I just want it to be bluer. But every time I dye my hair, it's bluer, but it's darker. And then it like washes out, and instead of getting lighter, it gets greener. So like, I literally have no idea what to do. And I've watched so many videos on YouTube about what to do with your hair to make it be less green and more blue, and I literally am at a loss. You guys should buy this though if your hair is blue. I know it comes in purple and in coral, but I don't know what other colors it comes in. So yeah, buy it. It's really good for your hair. It feels really healthy. It's kind of expensive. I think this, you can get it on Amazon, and it's like $30-something. But think about it, like, you're fixing all the damage from having bleached your hair. So it's pretty decent price if you ask me. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I liked it. It was cool. My hair feels healthy. That's always good. I just don't know now how to get my hair to be a lighter shade of blue. So let me know what kind of videos you want me to film. Oh, I wanted to show you guys my cat. Oh, there's one right here. Hold on. This is Rick. Isn't he gorgeous? There's another cat. His name is Blue.
Don't spill your beer.
Oh my God, look at him. This is Blue. I saved him from death. I love him so much. Oh, and he's gone. Yeah, it's Blue. He doesn't love me back though, but you know what? At least cats are honest and they tell you when they don't fucking love you back. Oh, he's back, he's back, he's back. Oh. So these cats, we fostered them. There were a litter of 4 of them, and we fostered them from like a really shady, crazy situation. So if you guys like want to hear about that, definitely let me know below, and I'll make a like story time with like pictures and videos of what they looked like when we like had to bottle feed them and like save them from death. Like, literally, they were going to die. So if you guys want to hear about that, let us know. Oh, we gotta cut to montage.